This is one of the ingredients for today's video, and today's video is all about the best drink for manhood. This recipe, once you take it, it will help your manhood to last longer. It will make your manhood to be strong, and it will also help to build up your immune system. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will never miss the steps and how to apply all this. So what are the ingredients? The ingredients are: number 1, mango. Number 2 is ripe tomato. Number 3 is banana. Very important. Then the final one is honey. This is not the right container for honey, so I use this one for my own use. I use this container to buy little quantity for my own use. So in this recipe, make sure that you will follow the step and never miss any of the step. So before I continue, once again, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from where you are watching me from. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for being part of this video. Today's video is all about the best drink for manhood. So you are welcome in today's video. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men, or you want to know how men will be taken care of, or natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. So let's proceed. How are you going to use these recipes? How are you going to use these ingredients to prepare a good juice for the manhood? This juice is very important. Not only that it will help your manhood, it will build up your immune system. Consistent intake of this juice will help you to live long in life. Consistency on this particular juice will set and build up your immune system. So this juice is very powerful. This juice is the best anyone can take as far as your manhood is concerned, and as far as you want to live long. This recipe or this juice is the best that I will recommend for everyone. So how are you going to prepare this recipe or this juice? Make sure that you watch this video so that you never miss any step. Number 1, cut this tomato into pieces and put it in a blender. Number 2, peel this banana and slice it, put it in the same blender with this tomato. Now, number 3 is this mango. Use your knife, your table knife, or any knife, maybe kitchen knife. Cut it like this. Cut it. Make sure that you cut it. After cutting it, you know that you will not use the outer cover or the seed. All you need is the juice. Then, after you might have cut it, use spoon like this and collect those juice. Collect the juice from this mango. Collect the juice from this mango and put it in a blender. Then after you might have collected the juice from this mango, now blend it properly. Blend it properly. The fiber from this mango, Do not filter it. You are going to take everything as it is. Then after that, after you might have blended it, then the last thing you will do is to add this honey. Once you add this honey, that is the final. Do not cook. Do not boil. It is good to be taken naturally. So once you are through with the blending and you add this honey, you are good to go. Now, direction of taking it. Make sure that you eat in the morning and you eat in the afternoon and you eat your dinner. Eat 3 times, 3 square meal every day. It is very important so that it will help this juice to build up your immune system and to go straight to your manhood and make it strong and to be the best you want. So you are going to take this juice morning and night. The best time to take this juice is morning and night. Morning and night. You can make it up to 1 week. You can make it up to 2 weeks, depending when you get the actual result, depending when you get what you want. All these fruits, you are going to add many, depending the quantity you want and depending the quantity that will help you or that will serve you for a week or 2 weeks, depending when you will get the results, because one body and the other is not the same. Body system are different. My own body system and any one of you watching this video, your own body system and my own is not the same. I might get immediate results or I might get my own result later, and you can get results maybe immediate or later. So it depends when you get results. That is when you will stop. But this recipe is very important. It will help you to build up your immune system and it will go straight to your manhood and make it strong and perfect. So this recipe is very good. Let me come again. Just cut this thing into pieces and put it in a blender. Peel this banana and slice it and put it in a blender. Then peel this mango to collect the juice and add it in the same blender. After you might have finished doing this, don't boil, don't heat. Just after blending it, bring it out and put it in a cup, depending the quantity that will serve you. Just make it as much as you can. You can put it in a refrigerator for subsequent use or for other days. Just after doing it in a large quantity, put it in a refrigerator so that it will serve you for a week or 2 weeks. Then after you might have finished doing all these things, anytime you want to take it, take 1 teaspoonful of this honey and add. Don't put 2 because honey contains natural sugar. The reason why I don't want to recommend 2 teaspoonfuls of this honey is because people who have symptoms or who want to contact diabetes with the little amount of this honey, they cannot contact it. So after you might have finished adding this honey, take it morning and night. Anytime you want to take it, just add honey. Put it in a cup, add honey. Now, take it morning and night. Morning and night for good 7 days. You will get a perfect result. What is that result? Your immune system will be okay. Your manhood will stand strong anytime you are doing the job. And you are going to last longer. This recipe is the best. Just apply it, follow my direction, and you will get the best result you want. This recipe is for manhood and for immune system. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. Put your comment in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think. If you get value from this video, comment on this video. If you have questions and you need other directions, put it in the comment section below. I promise that I will reply your comments as fast as possible or as soon as possible. Like this video, share it to your friends and family. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.